Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be installing new side markers slash turn signals on my car because ever since I got this car I did black them out with this spray tint that I used on my taillights as well, but over the years it started peeling off and fading back to the stock color, so it just doesn't really look good right now. And I saw these ones on Amazon, and instead of being the stock yellow color, they're white sequential ones, which I thought would look really cool. And I also picked up this carbon fiber wrap just to kind of throw something else in here, and because how easy this install is going to be, I was like, because the side markers won't take very long. In my inside, I still have the stock gray trim around the inside of my car, and I really don't like the looks of that. This is just carbon fiber wrap. It's obviously not going to look as good as my carbon fiber hood. So that's also, we're going to be installing that today on the inside of my car. But yeah, let's just get right into unboxing this. That's what we're talking about. Nice, clean, black, and obviously this will not fade over time. So that's gonna look really good. Also, I know that intro clip didn't make any sense because it has nothing to do with this video. As I put my wheels back on, I wanted to give her a bath and get rid of all these bug guts on my car. It always seems that Mother Nature has different plans for us car guys when we want to give our car a bath. Like always, Mother Nature has different plans. Seems like that's always how it goes when you want to wash your car. But I checked the weather and everything, and it wasn't supposed to rain, but lo and behold, it's raining like always. So we're not gonna be able to give her a bath today. We're gonna have to do that another day. But we'll just get ready installing the side markers. See, I think they are actually a little thicker than the stock ones. I did read about that, but people say they still fit. So that's all that matters, as long as they fit. The other good thing about this install is how easy it actually is. All you're gonna need is a screwdriver and one of these so you don't scratch your paint. You're gonna grab your screwdriver, cover it with the cloth so you protect your paint, and then you just come up to the front here, right up here, and you kind of stick it in there and it will pop out right away. Sometimes you don't even need one of these. Mine, you didn't really need it, but just in case, yours might be a little stuck on there a little more. And then after you pop that out, you're just gonna grab your screwdriver, depending on, like I said, how stuck it actually is in, and you have this little clip right there, and you're just gonna pull it out. Mine, like I said, you didn't even need the screwdriver to get rid of it, and it just came right out. Obviously, you have your cloth here, you might as well clean the dirt. I also, back in the day when I did spray paint it, I left it on the car, so I'm gonna have a little bit of spray paint left over there, but you're just gonna wipe it off, the dust, and then you can grab your new one, and then you simply just plug it in where the old one was, and make sure it's tight on there nicely, and then you just slide the back in first, and then you slide the front, and then there you go. I'm probably gonna go back and clean up that paint. Now the real question is, does it work? And there you go. That looks way better than the stock one. That looks really good. I'm really happy with that. The difference in it, and that's what the stock one looks like. I'll show you guys again to that. Oh, night and day difference. You also can't forget the best part of any install with plastic is when you peel it off. There we go. That's what we're talking about. Who knew something as simple as that could really change your car? But it does. I'm super happy with the way it looks. So I'm gonna get some before and after clips of it now, and then I'm gonna get installing the other side, and then we're done. Like I said, it's as simple as that. Mine were really easy to get off. Hopefully this side is just as easy as that one. Alright, now we're on the other side, and all you gotta do is do the same thing, kind of pry it out, loosen her up, and get it out. And then do the same for these clips. There you go, got it unplugged, easy as that. And we'll just peel the plastic off now. Whew. Nothing like peeling some plastic, guys. Together, like that. Clean the outside, get all the dirt off. Slide the back in like I said, and then the front. And then there you go. They do move a little bit, but as like stock ones, they do too. So that's normal, guys. And that one works too. And wow, with the headlights on, they really look really good. Both sequentials. Man, that looks really good, guys. Obviously, you got this side, the same thing. Now it's time to deal with this. This is what I want to be wrapping carbon fiber. And then along with this, I want to wrap this all carbon fiber. I'll probably get rid of my sticker dash eventually and get rid of that because right now I don't really like the looks of that. So, and obviously the doorway, we gotta change this. So we're gonna be getting right into wrapping this.
I'm finna fly to Japan. I'm gonna stack of the yen.
There we go. Nice little McDonald's card.
I go to Tokyo. They telling lies from
Run it along.
Shawty, she ride like rodeo. I get the dope and no overdose. I've been on the block like J-Lo. I seen devils out there ride halos. Before they come up, sometimes gotta lay low. Think about that like Play-Doh. Man, the world ain't fair, so I don't play by the rules. Thinking I move, I make a 1 and a 2. Don't let it guess and assume. Hey, gotta meditate to find peace. You just looking for a dime piece.
Like I said, definitely looks better already. As you guys can tell, there is some bad cuts right now.
Going up now, part of me. Got hard work in my arteries. That hustle always been a part of me. Yeah, you know that's a fact. Man, got where we at. Yeah, no going back. Man, got up on these beats to beat the odds. Paid all my dues, you don't know.
Not the straightest cut, but she'll do. And then just kind of go around. Definitely the best approach here. It's this tool. Being wrapped, that doesn't look that bad. Obviously, I have to go back, finish my tucking in, and finish cutting the access that's still there. But honestly, guys, that's not bad for wrap. Looks pretty good.
With the chili flow, make it silly dough. Getting dubs like 10 and 0 since 2010. If you didn't know.
And just like that, guys, the video is over. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys liked today's video. I know it wasn't anything crazy, no big mods, nothing like that. It's just a product that I wanted to show you guys so you guys could get it for yourself. Like I always say in every video, I always link them in the description down below. If you guys want to get them for yourself, you can go get them. They're on Amazon. Pretty good product, and especially for the price, they're very cheap and way better than my stock ones that, as you can tell, when I did spray them, that's how dark they used to be. And that's what they look like now. So big differences on the car, and you finally got rid of that crappy looking orange color because no one likes that color, especially on a car that you're blacking things out. You just don't want to see it. So they look a million times better. For the wrap, once I tucked it in, it did turn out pretty well. It looks way better than the original color, and I'm glad I finally got to do that. Once I tucked it in, it looks way better than when I showed you guys. I don't know if I got any clips of me after I tucked it in. Yeah, hope you guys did enjoy today's video, and I'll see you guys on my next video.
That's something I do. I've been hiding all of my emotions. That's something I do.